2 minutes. I'll kill a dragon. My life will get infinitely better. I might even get a date.
You can't lift a hammer. You can't swing an axe. You can't even throw one of these.
Okay, fine, but this will throw it for me.
Oh! See, now this right here is what I'm talking about.
But it
happened now.
One day I'll get out there. Because killing a dragon is everything around here. A natterhead is sure to get me at least noticed. Gronkles are tough. Taking down one of those would definitely get me a girlfriend. A simpleback? Exotic. 2 heads, twice the status.
They found the sheep!
Concentrate fire over the lower bank!
Hurry up! Fire!
And then there's the monstrous nightmare. Only the best Vikings go after those. They have this nasty habit of setting themselves on fire.
Reload! I'll take care of this.
But the ultimate prize is the dragon no one's ever seen. We call it the
Night Fury! Get down!
This thing never steals food, never shows itself, and never misses. No one has ever killed a Night Fury. That's why I'm gonna be the first. Come on, give me something to shoot at, give me something to shoot at. Oh, I hit it? Yes, I hit it! Did anybody see that? Except for you.
You're all that.
Oh, and there's one more thing you need to know. Sorry, Dad. Okay, but I hit a Night Fury. Not like the last few times, Dad. I mean, I really actually hit it. You guys were busy, and I had a very clear shot. It went down just off Raven Point. Let's get a search party out there before...
Stop! Just stop. Every time you step outside, disaster falls. Can you not see that I have bigger problems? Winter is almost here, and I have an entire village to feed.
Yeah, between you and me, the village could do with a little less feeding, don't you think?
This isn't a joke, Hiccup. Oh, why can't you follow the simplest orders?
I can't stop myself. I see a dragon, and I have to just kill it, you know? It's who I am, Dad.
Oh, yeah. Many things, Hiccup. But a dragon killer is not one of them. Get back to the house. Make sure he gets there. I have his mess to clean up.
Quite the performance. I've never seen anyone mess up that badly. That helped.
Thank you, I was trying, so...
Ow!
I really did hit one.
Sure.
He never listens.
Well, I've run to the
and when he does, it's always with this disappointed scowl, like someone skimped on the meat in his sandwich.
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This here, this is a talking fish bone.
Now, you're thinking about this all wrong. It's not so much what you look like, it's what's inside that he can't stand.
Thank you for summing that up.
Look, the point is, stop trying so hard to be something you're not.
I just want to be one of you guys. Oh, the gods hate me. Some people lose their knife or their mug. No, not me. I managed to lose an entire dragon. Ow! Oh, I did it! This fixes everything! Yes! I have brought down this mighty beast!
Huh?
Oh,